Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I'm participating in Saturday Morning Makes hosted by Jill Norwood. I want to share the Valentine's Day cards that I made for my son's class or classmates. And I made 29 Valentine's Day cards, and these are the ones that I use. So I use this paper pad here. It's an old paper pad that I have. It's Abriel and it's the 6x6 paper pad. So I use all of that. And I also use this Photo Play Brights paper pad, and this one is from my friend Cheryl. She sent me this a few years ago, and so I use all of my scraps. I only have scraps from these ones, so I just use them on my cards. I also use this scallop stitch heart dies. I use this heart die here in the middle, so I use that one. I also use this Lawn Fawn My Silly Valentine stamp set, and I use this Happy Valentine's Day and this heart here. And I use two of the faces from this Peachy Keen Jill's Favorites stamp set. So I use this one and this one. So that's that one. And these are the ones that I made. I made 14 cards for the girls, and then 15 for the boys. So these are the ones for the girls, and I just, as you can see, I just use even the smallest pattern paper scraps that I have, and I just put them together and adhere them. And then I also have this circle die cut here in the back, and I just use the Elizabeth Craft Designs die set that I have, and then I stamp the faces with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. So that's this one here, this one, so the scraps of pattern papers worked out very well for making cards like this. And the cards are measured 3.5 by 4 and 1/4, I think. So it's this one, and then two of this, and then the inside I just stamped the sentiment from the Lawn Fawn stamp set, and then I put 3 hearts on the bottom of the sentiment. So that's that one, and these ones are for the boys. And it's the same inside. I use the sentiment Happy Valentine's Day from the Lawn Fawn stamp set, and then added the 3 hearts on under that sentiment. So that's this one. I also want to share this card here because I have some extra from last year, and these ones are using my scraps of doodle bag paper, and then I use square die cut and the background, and then I use heart, and then I also use this Peachy Keen Jill's Favorite stamp set. I love this because it has a lot of varieties, or a lot of sizes for the faces, so you can use it on almost all like die cuts that you have. So I really like this stamp set. So I just use scraps from doodlebug paper that I have from last year, and these are the ones that I have left from my son's class. So I made more than what he needed last year, so these are the ones that I have left. So that's that one. And I think I also want to share this one here. I use this There She Goes Love bots, and this is a really cute stamp set. This stamp set is not available anymore. I bought this online long time ago, and I still have it. So I stamp it with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and I colored it with Clean Color Wheel brush markers. And then for the hearts, I use this Jelly Roll red Stardust pen. So I use that to color the hearts, and then I probably will just die cut this stitch rectangle, and then put it on a card base, and you got your card. So I colored it very simple, and I really like it. This is all the ones that I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video and get inspired. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.